Hello guys, how are you doing? This is me Isha, fairly new on this platform. Though I've been making short videos here for a very long time, but honestly I've been very irregular with it. But this year I plan on creating more content and be more consistent and show up here more often with just very real raw content. So I will be taking a short trip to Goa with my son and my husband very soon. Actually, I already am in Goa. I'm shooting this introduction in Goa because there was a lot of preps going on in Delhi. We had to pack and so much was going on. So I forgot to shoot the introduction. But so what? It's going to be very raw and I'm going to be very honest with you guys. So I will be showing you all our experiences, how we plan on spending our time in Goa. This is not my first time with my son. We flew here when he was 4 months old, but it was a very different experience, obviously. This time, he's a toddler, much more active. He crawls, he tries, he's almost starting to walk now. So it's a trip for us as family after last year, April. So it's been a long time. Goa is not new for us. Me and my husband have been coming here for years, but that was a completely different kind of experience. We're no longer into late night parties or waking up late the next day or just doing what we feel like. This is something different and you will see it through the vlog. So basically ये vlog बनाने का मेरा मोटो ही ये है कि मैं आपको अपना life दिखाऊं. I will show you my experiences, what we do here, what if your parents to a toddler, or if you have little babies, you can maybe take some tips from the vlog. I will try to show you exactly how we are going about things. क्या प्री प्लानिंग हमने की थी, क्या प्रेप्स हमने किए थे यहाँ आने से पहले, और अब हम कैसे हैंडल कर रहे हैं सिचुएशन को. I'll try to tell you as much as I can about his meals, his playtime here, the routine that we are following, and I don't even know actually what all we'll be doing here. So I'm just going to go with the flow. Don't mind if the vlog is looking very unedited, unfiltered, because I know for a fact कि मुझे यहाँ पे बैठ के editing का time तो बिल्कुल नहीं मिलने वाला है. So you will see that I have just uploaded the type of content I'm shooting like as it is. I will try to obviously put captions and give you as much info as I can, but if you have doubts about anything or if you want to ask questions, feel free to write in the comments. And I'm also learning. I'm very new to vlogging, so मुझे पता है, and especially with a little one, I know कि मैं सब कुछ नहीं shoot कर पाऊँगी. So जितना भी मैं कर सकती हूँ, why not? Because that's the whole idea behind showing up here. I just want to be more active and want to help you guys in any small way if I can. And so basically जब हम दिल्ली से गोवा आए थे, at the airport itself it got really messy for us. We're traveling with two of our house helps. One is my son's babysitter, the nanny. My chef is also traveling with us from Delhi, so that he can take care of our meals whenever we're at the villa. My son is at the age where he eats frequently, even if it's like in small portions. But so मैं नहीं चाहती थी कि मेरा सारा time cooking में ही चला जाए. तो why not? This was my husband's suggestion that we should take him along with us on this trip, because this is our first trip with our son. He was only 4 months old the last time we came in here, so he was mostly on milk. So that's about it. I was telling you about my experience at the Delhi airport. Chef basically was not carrying his hard copy of his ID, which we were not aware of. And when we were at the gate to enter the airport, we found out that he's not carrying it. And somehow he was not aware कि उसका आधार कार्ड उसके फ़ोन नंबर से linked है. So things like that. And उसकी वजह से हमें around 20 minutes का delay हो गया था at the gate itself. मैं, मेरा बेटा और the nanny, हम लोग आ गए थे अंदर, and मेरे husband and my chef, they were still at the gate. My husband could easily come inside because all his documents were fine and everything, but he had to stay outside to help the chef. Luckily for us, his number was linked with his Aadhaar card, and we tried to download Digi Yatra app and then it worked. and that's how he could enter. And because of that little delay at the entrance, उसकी वजह से थोड़ा messy हो गया था सब कुछ. And especially when you're traveling with a kid, there are a lot of things that you cannot predict. Washroom breaks with your baby and his meal time, and if he's hungry or if he's overstimulated, because everything was new for him as well. Then there was a flight to take as well. So all of that. And so वो हुआ, तो that's why I would suggest always reach the airport, if nothing then 2.5 hours before your flight time. We did that, but again हमारे लिए ये जो हुआ था एंट्रेंस पे ये हो गया था. उसके बाद अंदर आने के बाद भी इवन एट द सिक्योरिटी, यू नो, समटाइम्स यू कम प्रिपेयर्ड बट कुछ ना कुछ वो हो ही जाता है. दे विल फाइंड समथिंग, देन दे विल स्टॉप यू. एंड आई केम प्रिपेयर्ड विद अ लॉट ऑफ मील्स फॉर माई बेबी, बिकॉज उसको फ्लाइट फूड तो नहीं खिला सकते, एंड ऑब्वियसली बेबीज़ के लिए आपको लेके चलना ही पड़ता है घर से कुछ. सो आई वॉज कैरिंग अ बेंटो बॉक्स फॉर हिम विद अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रूट्स एंड यू नो होम मेड कर्ड. Then I was carrying moong dal khichdi for him. I was also carrying suji, banana, and you know, banana kheer for him. So these kind of things I was carrying. Obviously there was formula milk for him as well. We were carrying hot water in a thermos and cold water as well, his water sipper, and everything was there with us. That helped us a lot. And even for air pressure, we was carrying an earphone for him, you know, so that he could just wear it, and he could feel less pressure. And also if he wanted to take a nap, तो उसमें disturbance नहीं होगी, noise cancellation होती है. But also babies at this age, they refuse to wear caps and earphones and all these things. उनके tantrums are at peak at this age. So he never wore it, but when we came in here when he was 4 months old, that time so he wore it throughout, but this time it was very different. He never wore it, and luckily for us उसको uneasiness नहीं हुई थी, so that really helped. And we obviously still ensured that he was sipping on his water during takeoff and landing. Through the flight, it was a very smooth experience, you know. He was playing with his toys, whatever little toys we were carrying, like a spinner or just a reading book. हम ज़्यादा toys लेके नहीं आए थे flight पे, just his usual जिनसे वो रोज़ खेलता है और familiar है, वही toys हम लाए थे. और बाकी flight में इतना कुछ नया था उसको देखने के लिए, so he was just busy exploring everything with us. Once we landed, we always book a rental car here in Goa, so the car was already waiting for us in the parking lot. We took the car, reached the villa. We landed at the Mopa airport, and it was 30 minutes away from the villa. We landed around 8 p.m. So as soon as we got to the villa, the plan was to basically feed him dinner and put him to sleep. But since it was his first night, वो भी बहुत excited था. हमने इतना anticipate नहीं किया था, क्योंकि usually आप baby अगर उठा हुआ है दोपहर से, he took his nap of his day was till 1 p.m. सो वो अपनी नैप लेके ही दिल्ली से गोवा के लिए निकला था घर से. तो मुझे लगा था यूजुअली वो घर पे भी 8 बजे सो जाता है, बट यहाँ आके उसने वो कार में एक छोटी सी नैप अपनी ले ली थी, और विला पे आके वो फुली एक्टिव. तो ही स्लेप्ट वेरी लेट ऑन द फर्स्ट नाइट. ही स्लेप्ट एट 1 AM, and all of us, you know, slept after he slept. So it was a very tiring evening for us overall. But anyway, next morning he woke up. You will see in the vlog when did he wake up, and you'll see what all we did on our first day. So this is me signing off. I will try to give you more updates through the vlog in my captions, and I will try to vlog daily, but let's see how much can I keep up. And I hope you guys like the vlog. Stay tuned. Some last minute vanity guys. मेरे को निकलने से पहले याद आ गया कि मुझे अपने nails भी कराने हैं, so my nail artist had to come down and she did it for me. Thank you.
ये सब बताओ, प्लेन दिखाओ.
So guys, as you can see, we finally boarded. And we've landed in Goa. Very happy to be here. The flight went smoothly. Now doing our ritual at Starbucks. I always pick up a coffee before we head to the villa. एज़ यू कैन सी कि बेड से मैट्रेस उतार के हमने फ्लोर पे रख दिया था, तो रात को हम फ्लोर पे ही सोए थे, और यही हम करने वाले हैं अपने पूरे स्टे पे. हमने काफ़ी ऑप्शन सोचे थे कि हम शायद यहाँ पे कॉट डिलीवर करा लेंगे बेबी के लिए एंड दिस एंड दैट, बट वो इतना फीजिबल नहीं था बिकॉज कॉट को वापस ले जाना वाज नॉट पॉसिबल एंड कॉट के साथ साथ हमें मैट्रेस, कॉट बम्पर्स, बहुत कुछ अरेंज करना पड़ता. सो दिस वाज द बेस्ट ऑप्शन पॉसिबल एंड आई वुड सजेस्ट द सेम फॉर यू गाइज टू. एंड आई एम हैविंग माई फर्स्ट टी हियर इन गोवा, माई बेड टी. Good morning, guys. So, this is me, a very unfiltered me. Um just what a mess I'm looking, but we had a very, very good night's sleep. लोग 1:30 बजे सोए थे और 7 बजे उठ गए थे. एकावर को भूख लगी थी तो उसको दूध देने के लिए 7 बजे उठे. नया सेटअप है, जो भी चीज़ें हमारे पास घर में होती हैं वो यहाँ पे नहीं है. हमारे पास घर में एक ऑटोमेटिक मिल्क डिस्पेंसिंग मशीन है बेबी ब्रेजा की, तो उससे तो ऑब्वियसली विद इन सेकेंड्स उसका मिल्क निकल जाता है बॉटल में. बट यहाँ पे हमें मैनुअली हाथ से फॉर्मूला बनाना था. सारा सामान हमने तैयार किया हुआ था, बट फिर भी वी ऑल वर वेरी टायर्ड. दैट हैपेंड. तो वो 7 बजे उठा. ही हैड हिज फीड एंड देन ही वेंट बैक टू स्लीप, बट ही एक्चुअली जस्ट वोक अप अगेन एंड इट इज़ somewhere around 8:30 a.m. So I think he's up. He could have slept till 10 a.m. easily, 10-11 a.m. उसकी अपनी 12 घंटे की sleep cycle होती है. But considering it's a new place, he must be excited also, and whatever, too many reasons could be behind all of this. So he just woke up. I'm just going to quickly show you, like give you a glimpse of it so that any of you who are planning to travel with a toddler. I have a 14-month-old baby, just reminding you again. Maybe you all can also use these equipments, gadgets, machines. These are travel friendly. Whatever suits you, maybe you can just get one of these along. So ये डॉक्टर ब्राउन्स का बॉटल स्टेरलाइजर है. इसमें एक बॉटल एक बार में स्टेरलाइज होती है. दिस इज ऑल्सो मिल्क वार्मर, वेरी हैंडी. These 150 ml and 270 ml bottles both can be used in this machine. Obviously, are carrying a baby bottle brush, a little bottle cleanser in this mini bottle, because बड़ी वाली bottle लाने का कोई मतलब नहीं बनता है. So we always carry such mini bottles. Good morning, Ekave. Good morning. Hello guys, good morning. Good morning from Goa. Okay, so we are here for our breakfast. It's around 10:30 a.m. We are at this place called Neighbors. Highly recommended by all our friends from Delhi and Goa. And it's my first time here. I've been coming to Goa for so many years, but for some reason Neighbors हमेशा miss हो रहा था and always was on my list. So I'm finally here and starting my day with my most favorite cappuccino. I actually wanted to try something with peanut butter coffee, but the server himself suggested that I should just go for my cappuccino and not try that. Maybe he said that cappuccino would be better any day. So that's me, and that's my little one having his breakfast. Ekawar के लिए भी हमने watermelon juice मंगाया है, and that's there. He actually quite liked it, so I'm happy about that because he's been eating very less in comparison. So at least he can have a lot of fluids, and that should help. It's very hot in Goa. It's around 25 degrees here, but all is going well. और ये आज का है हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट. मैं एक्चुअली आपको दिखाती हूँ किस किस ने क्या क्या ऑर्डर किया है. सो दीज आर 2 burgers, chicken burger. I am trying Turkish eggs for the first time. Look at that. Such a beauty. Coffee and eggs. Chef's kiss. वैभव ने एक स्मूदी बोल ऑर्डर किया है और एग्स ऑर्डर किए हैं. Hi Vaibhav, that's Vaibhav. We just cleared the bill and now we're headed back to the villa. It's very hot now, so and we don't want to go out with the baby around this time. So the plan is to go back to the villa, freshen up, hit the pool, take a nap, which Akavar will. This is his nap time. The plan is to literally have no plan and just go with the flow, take a lot of rest because yesterday was a hectic day for us and a long day. Like I already told you, he slept very late because it was his first night at a new place. तो वो हो ही जाता है बेबीज़ के साथ. तो अब जाके हम रेस्ट करेंगे और उसके बाद दोपहर के बाद हम निकलेंगे. Maybe, you know, it's our first day, so the plan is to go to the beach, but let's see. और अब हम ब्रेकफास्ट करके वापस आ रहे हैं. अब हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं काविर? काविर का विला कौन सा वाला है? कहाँ पे है काविर का विला? That's our villa. Vaibhav has the key, so let's wait for him. Yes. Hello. Now we're going out for a sundowner. I'm ready. We had a great time at the villa. So we're going for a sundowner. We have two options ready, just finalizing where to go. Spend the afternoon at the villa itself. Did a little bit of pool time. My friends bhi aaye with humse milne. They live here in Goa now. They moved from Delhi to Goa. So we did that. Had a very calm, relaxed afternoon, ate lunch, we ordered in some food. So that was it. And my son had a great time in the pool. हमने उसके लिए काफ़ी सारे फ्लोटीज़ ऑर्डर किए थे जो हमने विला पे ही मंगवाया था. So he was very comfortable. He actually enjoyed a lot. क्योंकि जब हम पहले उसको गोवा लाए थे तो तब वो बहुत छोटा था. He was just 4 months. तो तभी भी हमने उसको पूल टाइम दिया था. बट अब वो बहुत enjoy कर रहा है और ये कर रहा है और हम भी थोड़े comfortable है उसको पानी में थोड़ी ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करने के लिए. And now I'm going. ये देखो, इकावे देखो सी. Good night, Ikabe. Good night.